Welcome to ClickSpikes HRM world. Today we are going to see what we have in our landing page. Mostly you can see some small description about us. And the features that shows how we are unique than others. Most importantly, your data is so we keep separate database servers for every company. With highest security features enabled. Then you can see pricing for the plans. We have both monthly and yearly plan. To save money, I will defiantly suggest to go for the yearly one. The next thing is some important FAQs. If you need more information, you can communicate with us anytime. At footer, you will find some more options like About Us, privacy policy, demo information, etc. You can find contact information too.